Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Before I start the presentation, I want to say thank you for my thesis advisor, Ibu Widya Paramita, and also other lecturers in Gadjah Mada University. My name is Anissa Wanda Fadila. I'm from the IMBA 16 class of MMUGM Jakarta campus, and today I want to present my thesis result with the title of the impact of airline service quality on passengers loyalty toward airline XYZ Indonesia, the moderating influence of price sensitivity. So the research background of this study actually because the highly competitive market that happens in Indonesia aviation industry. So for the past few years, there are several newcomers that come to Indonesia market, which is Pelita Air, Super Airjet, Transnusa, Flyjaya, and BBN. And these newcomers has increased the intensified competition between the airlines in Indonesia. So the airlines requiring to strengthen that their service quality and customer loyalty, and not only depends on the price war. Previous study also have found that uh, the competition in Indonesia airlines industry is not only in the same segment, but they start to compete in different segment between the low cost carrier airline and the full service airline. And the airline XYZ is one of the low cost carrier airline in Indonesia, is also facing the struggle because of this competitive market. So they do several changes on their service. The first one is terminal transitions on their main operational airport, which is their main operational airport is in Jakarta, in the Soekarno Hatta International Airport. So this transition raised negative sentiment because before they are operation on the Terminal 3, which consists of the full service and medium airlines, but they can manage to operate on the Terminal T, so it makes them different between the other LCC competitors. But now they move to Terminal 1, which is Terminal 1 is the terminal that most of them is the LCC or low cost carrier airlines. So it makes them less differentiate with other LCC airlines. And also, airline XYZ facing the airline image affected due to their reductions of baggage allowance. So for the past few years, they do some changes on their baggage allowance policy, which is the first one is they reduce the baggage allowance from 20 kilos to 15 kilos. And then earlier this year, they do the changes on their baggage allowance policy also from the 15 kilos to 10 kilos, and it raised really big negative impact and negative sentiment on social media. So due to that negative sentiment, they cancel the policy and back to 15 kilo. Why this happened? Because when they reduce the baggage allowance, the fare or the ticket price is not reduced and is not reduced, but it still remain the remain expensive, and we can say that this airline is the highest fare among the low cost carrier airlines. So this why make the concern to the airline due to some of the negative impact because of their changes. So it raised the concern related to their airline image, their service quality, their customer satisfactions, and their customer loyalty. So this thesis is focusing on the Generation Z passengers of the XYZ Airlines because because they started to target the Generation Z passengers for further. So this study examined the effect of service quality using the AirQual model on customer satisfaction and loyalty, and with price sensitivity has as the moderating variable among the Generation Z passenger. So, the study is to examine whether each dimension of the AirQual model, which consists of airline tangible, terminal tangible, passenger personal service, empathy, and airline image, on positively influence customer loyalty, and also to examine whether the customer satisfaction positively influence the customer loyalty, and also to see does customer satisfaction become the mediating variable between each equal dimensions and customer loyalty, and also to examine whether the price sensitivity moderate the relationship between the each equal dimensions and customer satisfaction. So this is the conceptual framework to see the clearer image about this thesis. So on the left side, we can see the independent variable that consists of the equal model's dimensions that consists of 5 dimension, which is airline tangible, terminal tangible, personal service, empathy, and airline image. And then customer satisfactions role as the mediating variable, and then affecting the customer loyalty, which is the role of customer loyalty in here be as the dependent variable, and price sensitivity moderate the as a moderating variable between the equal dimensions and customer satisfactions. In this thesis, in total, the have 16 hypotheses, which on hypothesis 1, hypothesis 3, and hypothesis 4, each of them have 5 sub hypotheses. So in total, in this thesis, have 16 hypotheses. So this is the research method of this thesis. In this thesis, using the quantitative method that using the data collection is using the primary data through this questionnaire via online questionnaire from Google Form, and using the 5-point Likert scale on the questionnaire. Also, the populations is Generation Z passengers of airline XYZ that have flown with this airline for the past 12 months. And also for the sample itself, the sample is using non-probability purposive sampling with a sample size of 410 respondents. And after collected the questionnaire, there are 450 valid responses that can be further analysis in this thesis. So on the left side, we can see in this thesis using the PLS analysis method, and this is the model that using when assess the variable using the Smart PLS version 4. So in this thesis using two model analysis methods, the first one is outer model, and then the second one is inner model. The outer model is to using the outer loading parameter, also the average variance extracted to assess the validity, and for the reliability using the Cronbach alpha, and also composite reliability and multicollinearity, and also indicator contribution which using the outer weight and outer loading. And for inner model using the R square, and then R square parameter, F square parameter, Q square parameter, or predictive relevance, and also for the hypothesis using the bootstrapping. So this is the overall respondent after collected the questionnaire. So most of them is female, and then the educational level is from the bachelor degree, and most of them is employee for the private SOE or government company, with the monthly income between the 1,000 to 5,000 rupiah, and most of them is from the Jabodetabek area, and using these airlines is for the past 12 months, is most of them is using for 2 to 3 times. So this is the result of the outer model, the first model that assess this in this thesis. So all of these construct result are valid and reliable because uh, composite reliability and Cronbach alpha score are above the 0.7, and then for the average variance extracted, the result is above 0.5. So all construct are valid and reliable. And also for the inner model, using the R square result, it showed that 43.6 of the variance in customer satisfactions and also 49.8 percent of the variance in customer loyalty. And for the F square result, the most strongest effect is between customer satisfactions and customer loyalty. While present sensitivity, empathy, airline image, and terminal tangible have a small effect on customer satisfaction, and airline tangible, personal service, and all the price sensitivity have a very small effect on customer satisfactions. This is the hypothesis testing, which is from this table. We can see that the hypothesis three that assumed between the mediating effect of customer satisfaction between airline tangible and customer loyalty are not accepted because the p-value score is above the 0.05. Also, for all the hypothesis 4 from 4A to 4E is also rejected due to the p-value score are above the 0.05, 0.05. So the conclusions of this thesis is actually the hypothesis 1A to 1E show that all the five Ercole dimension positively and significantly influence customer satisfaction. With empathy is the stronger predictor to customer satisfaction, and then the second one is airline image. And then for the hypothesis 2 show that customer satisfaction has a stronger positive effect on customer loyalty with a beta of 0.705. And for the third hypothesis or hypothesis 3, 3A to 3E, show that customer satisfaction significantly mediate the effect between all the air quals dimensioned to customer loyalty except the airline tangible because the airline tangible is not significant. And for the hypothesis 4 to hypothesis 4 from hypothesis 4A to hypothesis 4E, the price sensitivity show that uh, it not significantly moderate the relationship between the alcohol dimension and customer satisfactions. So the limitations of this study is actually it's only focused on the generation Z passengers of this specific airlines, the LCC, this airline XYZ, which is the low cost carrier airlines. So for the future research, maybe can examine different airlines and also different segment, and also the study using cross-sectional online survey, and for future study can use maybe longitudinal or mixed method, so to better understand the change in satisfactions and loyalty over time. And the study also use a very limited variable, which is only use the air qual dimensions and price sensitivity. In future research, maybe can examine more variable that can influence the customer satisfaction and loyalty. And then also the price sensitivity result on the study is not significant. Maybe it because the homogeneous result among the Gen Z respondents. So maybe for the future research, the price sensitivity should be further examined either as a moderator again or maybe other relationship or as an antecedent on perceived value. So that's all for my thesis presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.